Welcome to On the Road with Ruby and Mitch. Subscribe and follow along as we travel parts of Australia and explore our beautiful country. Alright, we are off to Mossman Gorge today, aren't we, Bob?
Yes, 100%. That is true.
Yeah.
It is true.
So, it's a bit of an overcast day. We actually just realised we haven't done like an intro video.
What do you mean?
Today we're off to Mossman Gorge and we're driving about, what would you say?
100.
Maybe 15 minutes. Did you say we're driving at 100?
Yeah. I thought you were going to say we're driving at 100 k's an hour.
No. Well, we are driving at 100 k's an hour. But we are driving about 15 minutes to Mossman Gorge. We're going to go for a swim in the beautiful, I guess it's a gorge, the river. And yeah, it is overcast, but it is still very hot. Walking through the Mossman Gorge, beautiful rainforest, and you can hear the water flowing. I don't know if we're going to be able to swim, to be honest. It sounds like it's going to be a bit too fast, but we shall see.
Babe, is this good? Having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't think we can go past here, Ruby.
Yeah, we can go on the bushwalk.
Ah, interesting. Okay.
That's the main lookout.
Oh, the main lookout. No! We can't tell all the people about the main lookout and sort of like give them feedback on what it's like. So you'll just have to figure that one out for yourself, folks.
Circuit 2k track, so it's only 2 kilometers. It's a lovely little walk, and I'm pretty sure from memory on the way there's a little swimming hole around that way.
Okay, so we've discovered 2 places so far that you can swim. Both looked amazing, but we've decided just to explore the whole area before we get wet, so we don't have to walk around in wet clothes. And we're gonna pick our favorite spot to swim, and we'll show you guys where that is.
Alrighty folks, so we want to show you where you can find that beautiful swimming hole we just went to. When you're walking along, so you've turned left onto the 2k circuit, you'll find all these beautiful roots and you just follow them down. Just follow the roots down, you'll see the opening down there. That's all we can really tell you for finding this spot.
To go round to the left-hand side of that little tree formation.
Oh yeah, so you
might think you go straight down to the water, but keep going around the tree formation to a little extra little spot.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Mossman Gorge, man, the place to be. This is awesome. Beautiful fresh water, amazing rainforest. No one else here. Unreal. Hey, Ruby!